Okay, I've washed the apple up. We're going to just try it like this. Hey y'all, the good folks over at Fullstar sent me this mandolin and spiral slicer. It's a 6-in-1. It's supposed to slice and dice and grade and whatnot, and I don't know what all, but this can go one of two ways. It's either going to be great or it's going to be not so great. So we're going to see. Let's get it opened up and see what we have in the package here. I've never used one of these, so I'm clueless. This is looks like I bet you I know what that is. It's like when you're grating cheese or something, you put it on that and do it like that to keep from cutting your fingers. It's got a little arrow pointing that way, so I guess we go this way. Oh, it comes with some gloves. Or a glove. That might be a good thing. I've got an apple, an onion, and a jalapeno, and then a block of cheese. I guess we should probably do the apple first. I don't know how jalapeno flavored apples would be, so we'll do the apple first. Y'all remind me to do that. I just dropped something. It's like some kind of funnel thing. I have no idea. I wonder if it comes with a book to tell us. Yeah, I see some paper down there. Oh, I'm sure you're sitting there laughing. This guy don't know what he's talking about. And you're absolutely right. I don't. I've never used one of these. That's got some little teeth in there. Another funnel looking thing. And some kind of dowel. Oh, it's got little teeth on it. Maybe you use that to grade. I don't know. Oh, I know what this is. This is for cleaning out your barrels. Oh, okay. So it's probably clean off your parts here. It's a little steel brush. And we have some different grater or slicer blades, attachments. I guess that's what you'd call it. Looks like 4 of those. Well, that looks like that'd be good for cheese. I don't know. Get it all out here, and like I said, that was our lid. Get it all spread out here so we can identify the parts here. And our little bowl here. This is what I thought was cool, y'all, for real, because you can put this lid on there and all of your stuff is going to go down into that. You don't have to worry about having a bowl or a plate and hitting it and making sure it don't spill over and whatnot. It's all going to go right inside here. Supposed to. We will see. All right, starting here, we've got a straight slicer. We have a spiralized spiked grip. We have a ribbon blade, julienne blade, finger guard. We guessed that one right, didn't we? Right here we have a julienne slicer. I guess this is another straight blade. And a coarse grater right here. And I guess this is just a unidentified piece of, oh wait, I wonder if that, no, maybe this, no. I don't know what it goes to. Okay, this is not what the link to the product showed. This is just a slicer. This is not going to be where we can like chop. It's not going to be a chopper. It's just a slicer. So a little disappointed in that, but this is what they sent me. All right, that's going to go on there like that. So all we have is a slicer. It's not a chopper. So I'm sorry I misled you. But we got it straight now. It's not what it was supposed to be, but we're going to go with it anyway. Let me wash this out, and we're going to, I guess, slice a jalapeno and some onion, maybe an apple and some cheese. Okay, so I got what I was going to use washed off and kind of dried off. These here are for like putting a potato in or like zucchini or something that you wanted to make little spirals out of. Put that in there like that, and then lock it in place like that. And you can sit this on here, put this on here like that. Then you'll be able to like push a cucumber or whatever down in there and make little spirals, little slices, because you can turn it. We're not going to be using that. We're going to be using this to slice an apple, onion and a jalapeno, and then we will use this to grate some cheese. So let's put this on here and see how it works. Okay, I've washed the apple up. We're going to just try it like this. And as you see, it did a pretty good job. Got some apple slices there. We put these in a little bowl and we'll move on to our next victim. Oh, I didn't show you the slices here, so I'll show you how those came out. Sliced them pretty good. Okay, got it rinsed off. Now we're going to try an onion. See how well that works. We'll use this thing right here. Got down to the little teeth right there, so we won't worry about that. See how that worked? Nice sliced onions. We put these in a little baggie and we will continue with the jalapeno. All right, got that done. All right, here's the jalapeno. We're gonna see how this works. Let's put this thing on there. That didn't work out. I would not suggest, maybe if you had a whole jalapeno, it might be better. Well, actually, that's not too bad like that. Here is our jalapeno. We need to redo this one. That didn't work out too well. I would definitely do a whole jalapeno or something that's more solid, because this doesn't work too well. But I was expecting a chopper, not a slicer. Anyway, there's some sliced up jalapenos. Put this in a little baggie. Yeah, I'll put it in a baggie. Okay, got the cheese here. Rinsed this out. We'll take this one off. Just take it off. You can wash that later. Here's our cheese grater. Put it in just like that other piece. Snap it into place. Put that on there. The good thing is this has little rubber grips on the bottom of this bowl here where it won't slide. That's pretty good. All right, let's try some Colby cheese. I'm not going to need a lot of this. That should be plenty for what I need, and I will save the rest. Got our Colby cheese ready for our dinner here. There you have it, folks. That is the slicer from Fullstar. If you'd like to get your hands on one of these, I will put a link down in the description, and you can order yours from Amazon. Also, if you got any value out of this video at all, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. I'd appreciate it. And if you haven't done so yet, you could go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you'd like. I'd really appreciate that one. Well, there you have it, folks. That is the Fullstar 6-in-1 Mandoline and Spiral Slicer. Give it a thumbs up for its capability to slice and to grade cheese. Hey, and I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.